today I'm going to talk to you about the Dove Men+ dual-sided shower tool. Now, this is strange, I know, because I am a woman, but I love some men's products. I think some of them are more effective than women's products, and I haven't found one in the Dove brand that creates things like this. So, when I take a shower, a lot of the time, I find that exfoliation is really important and hygiene is really important to me, so I definitely like having my tools or things like that to use to really kind of make the most out of that time. And I use this to scrub and exfoliate my body, basically. I use this almost every other time I'm in the shower. I love this tool. It's so useful. As you can see, it's in excellent condition. It's right here. This is like this rubbery feeling here, and then you have this loofah material here. It's like netted. A lot of loofahs have this kind of material, but I also like how the shape of it is. I think it's more effective this way than when it's all messy and everywhere. And then this is kind of rough. It's not very soft, but it does help lather on the soap, and it also works to exfoliate your skin. And what I do is I'll add some in here and in here, and then basically it sinks in and it works both ways. So one side is more to lather, and then one side is to exfoliate more. But I just kind of go with my gut on it and decide how I feel. I don't think there's a step-by-step process one can follow when it comes to their own body. So I just keep that in mind, and I do my best to use this product and get the most out of it. It's definitely a nice additive to my shower routine, which is very important to me. And the scrubber itself is really soft. I like it. This, however, is very rough, and it's really good. Say you're trying to do that dry brush thing. This actually works out, but just be gentle with yourself. It is a great plastic. It's not super thin, but it's still easy to grip, and you can hold on to it both ways, see? And I like that they have this part that separates them, so it's not confusing. You have a good part that can grip, and it's malleable. It's soft. You can squeeze it, and you can squeeze out the excess water and soap. It's also easy to rinse out, which is very important too, because you don't, like if you're changing beauty products or hygiene products, you don't want to have to go through trying to scrub it out before the next one and all that. It has this lace that also makes it easy to hang. Now, I don't have any shower hooks or anything like that, so I usually just put mine on the side of the tub, but that's the kind of shower I have. If you like to hang this, then you can do that, and it also is easier to dry out that way. So it really depends on what's important to you and what you have in your shower and what you're willing to install, I guess. My boyfriend bought his first. This is not his. And I liked it. I just liked it. I live with him, and I felt like I wanted one for myself, so I got one. I use it all the time, and when I first bought it, I loved it so much that I used it like every day, all the time. And I think over time my skin got a little bit irritated personally, because I have really sensitive skin with just like scrubbing. So I definitely realized that I have to kind of limit my use on this. But it really depends on your skin. And I've had this one for about a few months now. I haven't had to replace it yet. I think it's one of those things that you don't have to replace every day. It's not disposable. It washes out pretty well, and you use it to get clean. So it's definitely one of those items that you can keep in your shower for quite some time. It's very effective. It does a good job, and I know this because when I leave my shower, it just makes my skin feel just really smooth, and I just can tell that I'm squeaky clean. And it comes like this. There's no putting it together, trying to fit the rubber thing on. This is what it looks like when you get it. I have never replaced it, nor do I, well, if I get a new one, I obviously will replace it, but, and it's made by Dove, which is a very popular brand. Dove originated in the UK, and their products are manufactured all over the world. It started in 1955, and now they market internationally. So it's just a really nice product, one of theirs. But definitely check out their products too. I use their soaps and things like that, and I love them. And they have women's and men's products, so whatever suits you best or whatever you like best. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoy your shower time with this product, or at least check it out.